Welcome to another episode of How Are the Roads? Here we go. Let's see how bad it is out there. All right. So, it's been snowing for a little while, since about 7 o'clock. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, a couple inches. Oh, that's nice and fluffy. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. It's a little wet. Good snowball weather. It was coming down pretty lightly earlier. And then it picked up quite a bit. I think we were supposed to get 1 to 2 inches. Pretty sure we're up to more like 2 to 3 inches. And I think it's supposed to go until 3 o'clock, and it's only 3:45 maybe even. So we're getting good snow. Nowhere I have driven today has been plowed. I mean, I only drove through the neighborhoods and up Magazine and then back home for lunch. So we're gonna go the full route and see how it goes. So here we go. About 2 to 3 inches of snow, I think, at this point. Light, fluffy. And I gotta get over this big, huge ice speed bump at the end of my driveway, thanks to the snow plows. Here we go. This is headed south on Wanda, Ankeny, Iowa. We got a little bit of stuff on the windshield here. Let's get that cleared off for you. So definitely not plowed. The snow has backed off a little bit. The flakes are smaller. So it started off real light, real dry snow. Now it seems a little more wet, and again it's gone back to lighter snow, but wet snow, not super wet snow. Anyways, it's definitely slick, that's for sure. But we're just on the back roads, we're on the neighborhoods. This is 9th Street. Bad part right now that I'm having in the side streets is, like, this intersection right here has got major speed bumps made out of ice. You would not see them right now in the snow. So, you know, like where cars have been plowed in and they've got like a little arch around them, and then it melted and froze, made this big speed bump. You can't see those, but you can definitely feel them and drive over them. Let's see if we can find some right here. I thought there was some right here. Maybe they got it cleared out. Oh, there's one. Whoop. There's another one. So some of the intersections are real bad with those little ice speed bumps made out of ice. So this is Magazine. It looks like they've got it sprayed pretty well because it's just wet. Temperature is 19 degrees. Double check that. My watch says 21, so we're somewhere in there. Driving path is pretty good here. A little slushy, but the road is not necessarily frozen. It's supposed to warm up over the next few days and break freezing for, I think, quite a few days in a row. Even possibly rain and lots of thawing. I think even 45 one day. So this is headed west on Magazine, coming up on Ankeny Boulevard. Yeah, these roads are all just wet. So we'll see what happens when we get into the county up here. Yeah, so if you can get out of it looks like if you can get out of your neighborhood, which you should be able to just fine, These roads are totally fine. They've been sprayed real well. I see a plow to my left. Roads are not slick at all at this point. Now we're headed south. Ankeny Boulevard, Highway 69. Got a plow up here. I'm guessing this is an Ankeny plow since he pulled out of a side street. Let's get the windshield cleared off again for you. So not bad. If you're wanting to go out, I think you'll be fine. Get out of the neighborhood. This is a little slushy right here. Just gotta watch it. Yep, that's definitely an Ankeny plow. He's headed back to the headquarters here at DMAC Boulevard, Ankeny Boulevard. A little slushy, totally doable. It feels like the wind is coming out of the south. I don't know if that's true or not. It's probably why we're going to get warmer weather. This is slushy here. I have to watch this. No accidents as far as I've seen. See if we can get some wind information. Wind speed 13. Out of the east? East southeast? Oh, that might make sense. Yeah, 13 miles an hour out of the east. High today is 27. So we'll see how things get here in the county. We're headed south out of Ankeny. Get into the county here. Got somebody driving a Chevy Cavalier in front of me with a cowboy hat. It's pretty cool. So these two-wheel drive vehicles seem to be doing fine. Roads are mostly wet. Lots of spray coming up off the cars. You're gonna get some. Oh, yeah. Knew that was coming. Snowplow. He's doing the shoulder, it looks like. Definitely wet and slushy. Oh yeah. Got lots of that. I don't know what this guy's doing. Unloading, it looks like, maybe. For this construction site. Not even sure if my live stream is working at this point. Either nobody's watching, which is totally fine. Oh, I got one. Okay, yep, it's working. Because Travis Walker just joined. I just left your place, Travis. I was just there a minute ago. Let's not hit this skid loader. Yeah, as you can probably see, it is messy. Very messy. Lots of spray coming off the oncoming cars, off of other cars in front of you. There's another plow. The plows are definitely out. It's like the fourth plow I've seen in just a few miles. And since we're in the county, he's full of sand. These roads will be good with sand. You guys turn in, here we go. Look at the sand. Lots of sand. We got somebody shipping something in front of us. So big. you're gonna definitely want some spray in your car, which I do not have because my reservoir tank is broke. So I am trusting the car in front of me to clean my windshield. Bet you didn't know that. Even this side county road is completely just wet. In the middle, slush. But as long as you stay in the tire tread, you're good. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Looking out the windows, at home, and on the side streets, there's a good 2 to 3 inches. But they've got the roads pretty well cleared off. Or at least sprayed well enough that it's not freezing on the road. It's just a very, very messy drive. That's all I can say about it. Lots of spray. Lots of mess. Now entering Saylorville Township. Whatever road this is. Wow, my windshield is just covered in stuff. Oh, is that a cop? Looks like an undercover cop up there. I don't know. Well, sorry that it's so messy. It's just a messy drive. My windshield is an indication of the road. It's a mess, but it's drivable. Lots of snow plows out. Definitely, if you are a snow plow driver, like if you have your own business, there is enough snow to push. Let's just put it that way. You're gonna want that cleared off in your parking lot. It should be an easy push because it looks like light snow, fluffy snow. Is there anybody here? Is there anybody here? Oh yeah, look at Jason's car. It's covered. Like donut weather. All right, well, hope you had a fun, messy ride. Look at that, it's just a mess. I can't even see the parking spaces. So, you know how it is. Not that there's a lot of cars right now. I'll show you outside. Just let me park here. I'll show you. Oh, hit the snowbank. Show you what it's like outside. Because why not? You might want to know. Gloves. You want gloves. It's still cold out. Here we go. Let's go outside. See how it is. Kind of hard to do with gloves on. Yeah, see? Look at that. That's deep. Pretty deep. Looks like we'll have some... This is great snowblower weather. But look at my car. Look at how messy it is. It's just a mess. This is a mess of a storm. Right. Drive safe. Have a nice day.